Hello everyone, in this video we will draw and label the scheme of classical hepatic lobule. The classical hepatic lobule is polygonal in the cross section, very often hexagonal. A border, the classical hepatic lobule is formed by a loose connective tissue, very thin layer, and at its vertices there are the portobelary spaces which contain the portal triad. So here is a portobelary space, and here also. The plates of hepatocytes direct towards the center of the classical lobule, where the central vein is located. Here is the central vein. And the plates of hepatocytes direct toward the center to the border. The hepatocytes are polygonal and contains one or two nuclei in the center of the hepatocyte. The plates, hepatocytes create anastomosing network. This is the nuclei in the hepatocyte, sometimes two nuclei in the center. And between the hepatocytes there are sinusoids. Sinusoids are capillaries which their endothelial cells contain fenestration and pores, and their basal lamina is non-continuous, and the sinusoids are located alongside the plates of hepatocytes. The fenestration and pores are important for increasing rate of transport and to allow large molecules. The portobelary space contains interlobular vein with a thin wall. Very often you can see erythrocytes inside the interlobular vein, and its shape is very variable. Interlobular artery has a very thick wall comparing to interlobular vein. The portobelary vein is branch of the portal vein, and interlobular artery is branch of the hepatic artery. And the last structure in the portobelary space it's a interlobular bile duct, which is lined by a simple cuboidal epithelium. That means we see round nuclei which line the lumen of the interlobular bile duct. Vein and artery is lined by endothelial cells. That means a single layer of squamous cells. The blood in sinusoids contains mixed blood from interlobular vein and interlobular artery, and direct from the periphery to the center of the classical lobule. But bile drains the opposite direction to the blood from the space around the central vein to the portobelary space. So the bile is opposite direction to the blood. And the first part of the biliary tree consists of the biliary canaliculi, whose walls are formed by the cell membrane of the neighboring hepatocytes. So now we label the scheme. The portobiliary space contains a portal triad with portal triad. The portal triad consists of interlobular vein and artery, interlobular vein plus artery and bile duct. Bile duct is lined with simple cuboidal epithelium the border of the hepatic lobule is consists of loose connective tissue. In the center is a central vein. This is the hepatocytes arranged as anastomosing trabecular epithelium. And sinusoids. So that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.